Have you ever wondered how Google Maps predicts the time it will take for you to reach your destination, or how meteorologists forecast the weather? The answer lies in the fundamental principles of calculus. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of calculus, and by the end, you'll have a basic understanding of the concepts involved. First, we need to understand what calculus is. Simply put, calculus is the mathematical study of change and motion. It's divided into two main branches: differential calculus, which deals with rates of change and slopes of curves, and integral calculus, which is concerned with the accumulation of quantities in areas under curves. Let's take a deeper dive into differential calculus. Imagine a curve on a graph. Now picture a tangent line just touching the curve at a single point. The slope of this tangent line at any given point on the curve tells us the rate of change at that specific point. This is the fundamental concept of differential calculus. Now, how do we calculate this rate of change? We use a formula known as the derivative. The derivative of a function gives us the rate of change of the function at any point we choose. It's like a mathematical snapshot of change at a specific moment in time. Let's consider a simple example. Say we have a function f(x) equals sine x squared. The derivative of this function, represented as f prime of x or fx, is 2x. This tells us that the rate of change of our function is 2 times whatever x value we choose. Now let's move on to integral calculus. If differential calculus is about division and breaking things down, integral calculus is about addition and building things up. It deals with the total accumulated change over a certain interval or the area under a curve. The process of finding this area is called integration. For our function fx equals sine x squared, the integral, represented as the integral sign with fx dx, is 1/3 of x cubed. This means that the total accumulated change of our function over a certain interval is 1/3 of the cube of whatever x value we choose. In summary, calculus is a mathematical tool that helps us understand change in motion. Differential calculus breaks things down, giving us the rate of change at a specific point through the concept of a derivative. On the other hand, integral calculus builds things up, providing us with the total accumulated change over a certain interval through the process of integration. Whether predicting your arrival time, forecasting the weather, or solving complex physics problems, calculus is a fundamental tool in the world of science and technology. So the next time you use Google Maps or check the weather forecast, remember that behind these everyday conveniences lies the powerful mathematics of calculus.